Hello friends, student and YouTube viewers. You are the welcome on my channel. The channel name is a Knowledge 24/7. So today we are discuss about the reasoning. Reasoning is a verbal reasoning. Okay. Verbal reasoning. The first of all, first question, analogy test. Analogy. First is analogy. Analogy test. Cause and effect. Cause as effect. Example. First of all, example. Goitre. Goitre is related to iodine. Iodine as anemia. Anemia is related to. Anemia is related to. The first point is vitamin. Vitamin. The second is blood. Next, third is iron. Fourth is weakness. The weakness. Okay, student. Caused and affected by the illness. In medicine, in medical, ठीक है. Cause and effect. Goitre is related to the iodine. ठीक है. Goitre is a illness. Cause effect related to iodine. Iodine की कमी से ही गोइट्री का जो रिलेशन है, यानी कि गोइट्री इज ए इलनेस, यानी कि ये कॉजेस है, इफेक्ट है बॉडी के ऊपर. तो अनीमिया जो है इज रिलेटेड टू दी, ठीक है. इसका इफेक्ट अगर एनीमिया हमें होता है तो देयर इज ए इफेक्ट ऑन ए बॉडी, ठीक है. तो बॉडी इज इफेक्ट ऑन ए द वीकनेस ऑफ ए आयरन. आयरन की वीकनेस से हमें हमारी बॉडी में अनीमिया की कंडीशन दे आर ए प्रोड्यूस, ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेकंड पेज each is related to book. Okay, page is related to book as leaf is related to point first root means जो ट्री है उसकी जड़ें, there is root. Second is green. The third point is tree. The next fourth point is forest. Forest. The page is related to books. Many pages there in books. The books related to page. So single set is pages. Pages is related to books. So leaf is related to, there are a leaf. ठीक है. Tree is a big tree is related to leaf. Leaf is related to tree. ठीक है. Many trees, tree on the many leaf is born. ठीक है. So this is a second question. Then next question. Then the next question, third question. Today we are deal 10 question only. Only 10 question. Third question. The current is related to ampere. And same as weight. Weight is related to weight. First is objective type, scale. ठीक है. Next, second point is pound. Third is commodity. The fourth point is measurement. So let's see on the board. First of all, calculate. To solve the sum, when describe. How is said? First of all is current. Current is a quantity. ठीक है. The physical quantity. ठीक है. यानी कि power is quantity of a joule. Then is a current is a quantity of a ampere. Then after is as a weight is related to, weight is scale, measurement weight. Heavy weight is not a scale, not a measurement, not a commodity, not a measurement, not a scale. Pound. This is a pound. Pound is a unit, is weight. Weight of a unit is pound. Quantity, units is a fundamental unit. The physics, chemistry. Okay. The next question is fourth. Today's fourth question is instrument, and fourth question Seismograph is related to the earthquake. Seismograph is related to the earthquake. Okay, and then thermometer is related to thermometer is related to, first of all point is fever, second point is doctor, third point is temperature, next point is mercury, fourth point पारा जिन्हें कहते हैं, ठीक है। Seismograph is a instrument in the market, in the whole world there are many of the instruments, ठीक है। Seismograph is instrument is calculator is a instrument, mobile is a instrument, okay, computer is a instrument, then seismograph is a instrument is related to earthquake जिन भूचाल कहते हैं, ठीक है जी, या भूचाल भी कहते हैं इस। तो thermometer is related to the temperature, not a fever, okay, temperature thermometer to calculate, not a condition, only calculate, understand? Thermometer not a condition is calculate temperature यानी कि temperature calculate, not a condition calculate, okay। Fifth question is bank is related to money is the same way, transport is related to, first of is good, second is road, third is movement, fourth is traffic, fifth is speed. Let's see you notice board this question. Fifth question, bank is related to money. Bank calculate the money, store the money, and ledger account, ठीक है, hold the account, ledger account, calculate and much more work. Bank is related to the money. Is same as way the transport is related to. Transport is related to carry on the goods. The goods means goods means much more of passenger, more of equipment, more of instrument, more of and much more. This is not transport. This is not related to related. Okay, not related. Okay, not related is purpose. Okay, on purpose. Transport uses purpose is not related. Okay, opposite and related not. Okay. Transport and road is not opposite related, but is a purpose for use. Goods, not movement, not traffic, not speed. Goods use purpose. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट इस कंफर्म कर लीजिए आप थोड़ा सा कि अगर ना भी कुछ पता लगे तो देन कॉल मी ऑन यूट्यूब माय चैनल. ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन में आपको अलग से थोड़ा समझा दूंगा. ठीक है, फिफ्थ और ये जो है 6 क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, कैप्टन is related to shoulder. In the same as in the same as way leader is related. Related to, first of all, chair. Second is follower. Next is third point, party. Next is minister. Third, fourth, minister. Fifth is board. Let's see on top. First of all, question, captain is related to shoulder. Okay, and same as a leader to related to. Leader is related to not a party, not a minister, not for vote, only followers. ठीक है, followers, they have leader, they have much more followers. ठीक है, this is a plus point. There are lot of leaders are more followers. This is a plus point. Then the selector, then after the selector, party, minister. ठीक है, then select party, minister before selecting board. Okay, follower is the major reason to leader. This plus point, follower, leader. Okay, answer is a follower. Question is 7. Next question is 6 and 7. Foot is related to shoe, same as, ठीक है, same as neck is related to ornament, first point. Second is necklace. Third point, cut. Fourth point, beauty. And fifth point, none of these. इनमें ਵਿੱਚੋਂ कोई भी नहीं या इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है, there none of this. Foot is related to shoes. क्योंकि foot is wearing of a shoes, and then neck is wearing of a necklace. This is a question answer, not a ornament. Ornament is not answer, is a ornament. Ornament is a load of a jewelries, not a no ornament. Is necklace is the right answer. Eight questions. Summer. This is a different question. This type of a question is a different than other. Summer raining. Okay. Answer is first point Monday, Sunday. Okay. Second point, summer, winter. The third point is December and January. December and January. And none of us. 4 point. License driving. License. And 5th point is none of these. ठीक है. Summer is raining. Opposite direction. Opposite. ठीक है. Opposite. Happy, sad. ठीक है. Happy and sad. Direction. Opposite direction. ठीक है. Up, down. Summer, raining. The answer is a January. December and January. ठीक है. December and January. Okay. Opposite direction. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इस 9 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। वाटर swim point is graze grass. Okay, the next point is plan implement. The third point C is flood damage. Fourth point is knock not tie. Fifth point is ground play. Okay, water is swimmer. Water uses of water: drinking, swimming, clothing, bathing. ठीक है, this is a purpose. Opposite purpose is swimming. Water is swimming. Grass grazes not. ठीक है, plan implement not. flood damage not. ठीक है, not tie not. ground and play. ठीक है, ground and play is a right answer. This is a ground, this is a play. Okay, working play. Okay, this is a condition. Opposite condition. Next is last question is last question is 10 question. West, north, east. ठीक है, and south. South answer. The first is north and west. North west. Second is south east. Third is north. Fourth is east. Directions. So let's see you the direction. West is northeast. This is the direction. North, south, east and west. This is a northwest. This is a southwest. This is a east south. This is a east north. Direction. Clockwise, the anti-clock. West, ठीक है, west is, ठीक है, west is direction, ठीक है, north and northeast, ठीक है, north and northeast आंसर, ठीक है, north and northeast, west and south, the answer is north west, south is the north west, this is a northwest, opposite, okay, west is opposite east, ठीक है, direction is east north, ठीक है, northeast as northeast and northeast, northeast and east north and northeast opposite direction, ठीक है, and then the south is a northwest, opposite, ठीक है, direction is this and that opposite direction, the question answer is this is. Today is analog reasoning is completed. Please subscribe my channel. The much more video you are watching. My YouTube channel, Knowledge 24 channel, and 24/7 days. The lots of videos I will post and much more knowledge I will share with you, and you are a video my watching. Thank you, many thanks for watching this my video.